options for Nigerians is to japa instead of standing their ground and demand taking their country back. And all Nigerians' plan is when they get money, they sell their property and japa. I get advice to give you as person one japa leave Nigeria. But before we go into it, let us look into this particular news. They say that Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile, don't declare he say as it be like this now, any Nigeria army when seen for inside Biafra land is saying go buy them. No be smart, you know. He's saying men are fully ready, which I'll show you the video as they jubilate, they dance, they happy. However, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If it's not the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still there here. They bring you updates back to back. Please share and subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to turn the notification bell. If you are watching from TikTok and you want to get to our YouTube, very easy. Just look down in our profile. You will see the YouTube button. Click it immediately and go and subscribe. Okay, my people, let's jump inside this matter and see as it they happen for that area. Simon Ekpa don't come outside for many tweets we made concerning say that the Nigerian army are hiding the war that happening in Southeast. They don't want to show you to the world and they are giving them woto. No be smart, you know. My people, I'm going to bring you a video as they jubilate, they happy. He say in men are to move. Watch the video. Okay, my wonderful people, let us talk to those people that want to japa come up for inside Nigeria. Now, I want to give you this advice. I don't say, me, you know, japa. If you japa, it go better for you. If you still japa, it go worse for that side. A lot of people wear japa, all of them make them. But however, let me give you this one thing for you to hold for her. At least, maybe waiting you learn for this channel. As person when one japa come up for inside Nigeria, please, I want you to learn these three work. Learn these three work. Make sure you have this thing. Number one, this one now, forklift driver. Learn it very well. Become perfect on it in Nigeria. Then, when you come here, do not give up to your dream. When you travel, japa, go any country, no give up your dream. Find a way to obtain document that will legalize you to be able to go to the school and get the certificate, so that you can use it. When you get the certificate, it will be easier for you to use it to work frequently with nobody teaching you how to drive it again. Number two, I want you to learn, if you can be able to learn how to drive a truck very well. Learn how to drive a truck, trailer drivers. Learn it very well and know how to drive it. When you come here, focus on the study and get the license. You enjoy your life. Then the last one, I want you to learn how to barb head. When you learn how to barb head, when you come here, you look for a work and somebody that already have a shop. With that person help, you can be able to open yourself and make good money. When you get these three things and you come and focus on it, you're going to survive in our blood. Now I'm going to bring you this video. Let's go back to our matter. I'm going to bring you this video and show you waiting Nigerians they think and waiting other ones where they support Tinubu. It still be some people still they support Tinubu, some still they against him. Even in supporters, many of them they against him. But still waiting this person talk and here the rest people wait up for inside this matter, waiting they talk. Watch the video.
Tinubu, they use your head.
Hey, let me leave you. Silence, sorry.
Anybody will know what they come out.
They won't come on your eye.
Oh, the way I'm the grand holder. Tinubu make him fall. If you own your brother, he go kill you. Make a lie. You know the meaning of Obi for Yoruba? Now bad cola.
Obi, no, it doesn't mean bad cola. Obi.
I don't talk that.
Okay, how does it feel right now living in Nigeria?
I'm not a Nigerian. I'm a Ghanaian.
You are not a Nigerian.
I'm not a Nigerian again.
Uncle, how about you, sir?
About what? About
living in Nigeria, so how does it feel right now?
Even as a Nigerian, I say I don't get money to come up from Nigeria. I make a day for this country. This morning.
Hold the mic, sir.
No, I don't even want to talk to you because I know the talk don't tire me. You know they reach anywhere. You know they reach anywhere.
Oh, I'm gonna do it. If you get money now, you will come up.
I will come up for this country now. Waiting a day.
Your father's land.
Country don't finish. Which fatherland? Country don't finish. This Nigeria don't finish. Waiting there again.
How is Tinubu administration?
Now Tinubu that be the worst administration. That be the worst. Even now, when the time where Buhari day, I think one come out. He say we go remember them. Now I come find out say true. I don't even remember Buhari now.
Are you saying Tinubu better pass Buhari?
Buhari better pass Tinubu. We say Tinubu better. We should Tinubu. When Buhari the rule, how much do they sell garri? How much do they sell rice? How much do fuel? Crazy.
As a family man now, do you feel that Tinubu is not competent? Is the one inflicting pains on Nigerians?
Too much pains. Too much pains. Even as I do now, my family now, I leave them for nothing. No money, no nothing. While I never did that kind of thing before.
And you never chop?
I never, you see my hand now? This country don't tire me.
Alright, thank you. So Tinubu falling, showing...
Most of the Nigerians are even annoyed that he's supposed to pass there and die. Because the type of suffering and pain this man have afflicted in Nigerians is too much. That falling is not even enough. It's not enough.
You want him to die?
They want him to die.
You are wishing your president dead.
People are wishing him death because what he's doing there, he has killed me.
Nothing you go ask me where I go after. You know my character. Now only my God. Now they enjoying government.
Okay.
Are they sweat?
I just want to ask you, 1 year in office, has it been anything?
I know them for their I know they are so wrong.
No, the thing we don't do for Nigeria now.
What thing concern Nigeria? What thing me I know they suffer. If you suffer be your person, you have to send them. If suffer be your person, carry and go. Person they chop better than leave am. Now God wey dey if una see now God wey dey people for na bad wey design the whole life. The way they start, when they make now God wey dey what when they talk government. God is not happy. President. Democracy dey hit not the get a little naira wey come from house to mention
so Tinubu fall na.
Yes, it's because of the people they start people and they don't make him fall. So our grand go in. People cry. People are crying. People are crying. They beat you when you dey cry. You never cry before Tinubu come. On democracy day. Only mention people that dead people. Why mention the dead people? Where do you mention the dead people?
Okay, now because of bad thing when they do, now you make them fall.
Yes. Even falling over, this was saying they suffer, making the suffer they go. Suffer is not my fault. Obasanjo they cry. Obasanjo come out. Jonathan enter. This my friend they cry yo. We think say Buhari go good.
After Obasanjo Yar'Adua.
After Yar'Adua. Jonathan. After Jonathan. Buhari. Now cry when they cry for the first tenor. This 50th tenor to still they cry. He has a Tinubu fall. He they happy. Nobody will know before. This our grand. You can miss leg and fall. You know me saying hey. So wait, make I talk my own momo. If I don't talk, you know they hear. So obviously, they talk about say whether Nigeria good or whether Nigeria no good. I dey enjoy my God government. I'm a driver and I dey chop out of my sweat. If I no carry wood, I know they chop. So for that.
Make Tinubu continue.
No. How you not gonna use? He go continue. Say continue. Continue. Make him go out of to go pursue am. Now you tell no. Our local.
Say it again.
He say our local. Our local. So
now you tell no.
They're suffering. Anybody that here, I'm not. Everybody is suffering. Everybody is suffering. There is no average Nigeria. Everybody in Nigeria now is currently poor. Those that count themselves to be rich, go and check their cars. People are driving cars of 002 and they are counting themselves to be big man. People are driving cars of 03. Those people that drive car of 03, 08.
Tinubu, they use your head.
Hey, let me leave you. Silence, sorry.
My people, shey you see as that man take collect that kind, whether na rapper just wipe am for eye say you no know wetin you dey talk. Na wetin Tinubu supporters dey face like this, so as we dey talk like this. But however, it don happen be say it don happen. Maybe next time if you keep your mouth shut. And if you watch many people wey dey support Tinubu, these people never see food chop. Many people wey dey support am, wey dey for street, they never see food chop. But still yet, they still dey support Tinubu. You get why? But however, I don't bring a come for you. May drop your own opinion for inside comment section. So do not forget the things I tell you as a person who want japa come on for Nigeria, where you need to hold for hand. For years, I get this one for years. In case I say big guess, say one japa come on for house, may you try and learn how to make head. Yeah, try and learn something, hard work. If not sewing, try and learn it. You can come here and obtain the document. You know, be like Nigeria where if you just go open shop, begin they do something. No, here you must go and obtain their document. Not let anything to be your barrier. Say one people want Japan, I get this one. Okay, my people, wanna share this video and make sure so you follow this channel for more updates as it is hot.